This is Stephen Brown reporting from the Teshekpuk Lake Special Area. We've been conducting our surveys by helicopter for about a week now, and we've completed almost 40 plots surveying for breeding shorebirds in areas that have never been surveyed before. We're finding very high densities. The plot I just finished surveying had 3 pairs of breeding dunlin, which is the highest number I've ever seen on a plot, and more calling from the distance in all directions, along with both species of red-necked and red phalaropes, pectoral sandpipers, semi-palmated sandpipers, and hosts of other Arctic breeding birds. We've been conducting our searches also for avian influenza at plots scattered across the area, and have collected samples from about 50 shorebirds that we've captured and sampled, and those samples will be sent off for analysis and hopefully will come all back negative. We're in the middle of the period of being active out on the tundra now, and the crew is working very well together, conducting surveys and carrying out their work as a team, which is always a great feeling. The shorebird nesting season is in high gear. This is really shorebird central here. In the distance behind me are shorebirds of many species in high breeding season, which means the males are displaying and doing their flight calls. It's a treat that we don't see when shorebirds are on migration. But up here on the breeding grounds in high breeding season, we see displays all around us. This is one of the highest density areas for breeding shorebirds that we found anywhere on the North Slope. So it's very exciting to be out here doing surveys. They're at the peak of their breeding season. We're finding many nests. We're able to watch breeding displays, and from those displays we're calculating the density of the breeding birds. The weather here has been very conducive to surveys, which basically means that the fog, which is ubiquitous on the tundra, has been cooperating. We've even had a few warm days, which means up in the 50s, which is very surprising up here on the tundra. But mostly it's overcast and good conditions for surveying. This is Stephen Brown signing off from the Teshekpuk Lake Special Area.